Okay, hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to put multiple materials on a single object using Blender 2.81 Alpha. As of this recording, that is the most recent version. Let's see if I can remember to turn on the buttons so you can see what buttons I push. Yep, there it goes. Alright, so we're only going to do two surfaces on an object, since showing you how to do two different materials on an object is going to be the same as three or four or five or whatever. So cone works, and we're going to use EV. So we need to set up a few things. Let's get in here, and we need to brighten up the scene. Since we're not going to render this thing, we need to brighten up the environment. And if you've watched any of my other videos, this is how we do it. And let's see, I want to change the name of this thing to a cone. So that when we import it into Second Life, it'll have that name. Right, while we're here, let's do we don't do shade smooth in a moment. Okay, so we do a UV editing, and as you can see, it's already unwrapped. It's not the greatest unwrapping, but it'll do. Okay, so we need to go into face mode. Press the 3, select the bottom face, and let's start adding some materials. So I'll add a new material slot, click new. We'll call this bottom. And what color is the bottom? Put it on the grass, green. And assign it. Control I, select the other side, the top. New slot, new material, top. Assign. What's the top? Red? Sure, why not? Assign. There we go. There's our red material on the top. Sick looking red and green. Let's go back into object mode. And we'll do a right select, shade smooth. Great. Almost there. This is going to be a short video. Okay. Right. Let's go in and export this guy to Collada. Oh, let me do a save first. Always good to do a save occasionally. Okay, export collada. Get into the export collada. If you type an N, doesn't trap it there. If you type an N, you can see the options that we can use. We don't really need much of anything. Oh, selection only. Yep. Right, that's the selection only. Export it. I think that's the only one. Yep, that's the only one. Okay, let's go to Second Life. And here we are, Second Life, build, upload, mesh, model, materials, open, click textures, dump, red, press the control key, green, fantastic. We got color and materials. We're going to upload it, and we got the name correct. There it is. Okay, here we have to click include textures in order to upload it, calculate the weights. We got no texture, so we got some material, so it's only 11. Do the upload, and there it is. Drop this sucker on the ground. Edit it. Rotate it, and there it is. Fantastic. Excuse me. Okay, let's rotate it up a little more so you can see it's evenly colored. It's just the lights and the shadows on it. All right, that's what I got for you. So please leave a comment. in this video. It helps to push the rating up so that others can find it and recommend it to your friends. And click like or dislike. That also pushes the rating up. My understanding is either one pushes the rating up. And if you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe. And we'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.